Scott Shelby, though.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
We're both so depressed now. Ethan let himself go, too. Was all clean shaven and proper before. Sean doesn't even really want to look at him. But anyhow, guys, I think this video is gonna be like 40 to 50 minutes long.
Oh.
Gonna be around 30, I want to say, but I just want to show Scott Shelby. Probably end it with that. And this is gonna be a little more father-son filler kind of stuff, and figure might as well get most of it out of the way in the first episode. As you can see, Ethan doesn't live in his nice home anymore either. Little rundown house in the city or something. Let's go check Sean's schedule.
So, you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things are going.
Nothing special.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
You could just
It's time
see
for
the
your
desperation. Alright, sorry about that, guys. There was a bit of a cut there. It's gonna happen time to time right now. It's kind of inevitable. You didn't really miss anything exciting anyhow.
Here, Sean.
Getting
Here's your
Sean is...
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, I thought it was an orange. It looks like an apple, but I don't fucking know. Alright, let's see. I don't even want to know what kind of Weaboo shit you're watching.
Grease has Sean is...
Please, Dad. You're in front of the TV.
Oh, sorry.
Jesus. Let's see what else. Homework at 6. What time is it? Alright, it's about to be 6.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
Now!
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
Leaving your apple cores and shit on the table. Or couch. This is exasperating. Are you following Cranky's words of advice, Sean? Are you getting good? Get good. I love that the camera angles adjust based on where Ethan or Scott or Madison or Norman are. Yeah, I said their names. Big whoop. Oh, this is so exhilarating. Yeah, my commentary is just gonna be pretty lacking in this episode. I really can't help it. I'm sorry. I've already said it. Probably gonna say it again just to have something to say, because there's only so much commenting I can do on father-son Jimmy Nudgerin bonding.
Bond with me, Jimmy.
Well, I'm gonna leave this episode here, actually. I think Scott would be a good intro for the next episode. Leave it off on a bit of a cliffhanger, as you can see that little scene there is up to interpretation. I don't know, because he could be disassociating, but he could also have something to do with that newspaper. So leave in the comments if anyone has any theories or anything, if you haven't already seen the series like I have. But I will see you all in the next video.